Hey there, and welcome back to Say It Right. Today we're looking at a short but tricky word, coup. So, how do you say it? Here's the correct pronunciation. Coup. That's right. Even though it looks like it should have a P sound at the end, the P is completely silent. Let's say it together. Coup. One more time. Coup. Great job. So, what does coup mean? Coup usually refers to a sudden, powerful, and often illegal takeover of a government. But it can also mean a brilliant or highly successful move in business, sports, or even personal achievements. Did you know? Coup comes from the French phrase coup d'état, which means stroke of state, a sudden action that changes leadership. Over time, we just started saying coup on its own. Here's a quick spelling tip. It's spelled C-O-U-P. But remember, the P is silent. So don't say coup or cowpea. It's just coup. Whether you're talking about a political takeover or a brilliant success, now you can say coup the right way. Thanks for watching Say It Right. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with a friend. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.